Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, at the Gilbert Compound. As some of you know, there's been some changes in my life, and I'll be needing a new name for my YouTube channel. So if you would like to come up with an idea, please leave it in your comments below. I might send something out to you. You never know. All right, if you win. Now, I've been drinking lots and lots of beer this weekend. I mean, it's been kind of crazy. I've been drinking so much beer. But I'm also a pepperhead. And sometimes in life, you got to put them both together. And people make stuff like this. It's called Tink. You know, they make Tink, and Tink is really freaking hot. It's made with pure grain alcohol and peppers. This is about a year old. It's as dark as coffee. And I used this in one of my last videos, and this stuff is deadly, okay? But I also made this other thing. Check this out. This is Tennessee Mango Habanero Whiskey, okay? So I'm thinking this is some good looking stuff. This is some good stuff, but I couldn't taste no habanero. So I was like, wonder if I could change that. So what I did was I had this old nasty hot sauce I had in a previous video that I didn't post on YouTube. But I had this jar, and I was like, I'm going to clean this jar out, and I'm going to put in some seriously gnarly peppers into this jar. And this is going to be some really cool, gnarly, hot whiskey. Well, turns out it's way too hot to be drinking like you would a regular whiskey. So, what do? Well, what you do is you get yourself a straw. You know, because, well, it's just easier that way. Then you get yourself your jar here, take it out like this, put it out like that. Then you got your Corona, and then you pour it in your Corona. Get you another one, take it out. This is for the hard heads here, super hot heads. By the way, those peppers are dry that's in that. And they need to be dry because you don't want them to go rotten inside the whiskey. So, you know, it's just better that way. Turn it upside down. Lift it back up. By the way, I've had about 20 of these this weekend. And then you just let the pressure off just very little bit at a time, and there you go. You have what I affectionately call a hot Corona. And let me tell you guys, this is level 10 amazing. You will never ever have beer the same again. Woo! That's some good stuff. Man, that was good. Guys, I just wanted y'all to know I love you. It's going to take me some time to get some videos out there. I got some that Yaya's in that I'll be posting. We did some really good videos in the last couple of weeks that I haven't posted yet, and I will post those. And Yaya was my sprinkles. I loved her and still do. She will be greatly missed. But life must go on. Man, I do love her. But life must go on. I've been moping and drinking and eating pizza and You know, yesterday was my birthday, and I had an amazing pizza meal. Domino's was amazing. They really were. So, you know. Anyway, guys, I don't want to bore y'all too much. This video is a short video. I don't need to make a big old long one. But I need y'all to remember one thing. Stay away from Corona. It's a bitch, man. I imagine. I haven't had it yet, but maybe the only Corona you see is a beer. Excuse me. That wasn't intentional. And remember Old Glory back here. That's the greatest thing that's ever been created. Is what this is. That's the greatest thing in the world right there. America. So, God bless America. God bless you. God bless our president. Pray for Yaya. Pray for me. And I'll see y'all next time. I love y'all. Peace out. Bye. Love you.